Okay, so here we go. You're now suckered to the bonnet with an American product called the SeaSucker, right? And it's all right, you got your seat belts on. Here we go down the famous Gibb River Road. Please excuse me if I'm not looking directly at you, I'm too busy watching the road. But we're on the Gibb. I'm sitting on about 80 kilometres an hour over the corrugations. We've dropped the tyre pressures down and the truck's running along nicely. It feels like a big marshmallow on the corrugations. Whereas yesterday when we first got off the main road and we were heading into Winjara Gorge, I never deflated. And I thought I was going to shake the doors off the old cruiser. Anyway, don't matter. We're here now, we're on the Gibb, and we're heading to the Kimberley turn off for tonight, if we can get there. And then tomorrow we'll do the trek up to Kimberley, and hopefully we can do it in a day. It's about 400 k's, I think. 250. Oh, sorry, I've been corrected. 250 from the turn off. So we should be able to do that tomorrow, depending on the condition of the road. So we were talking to some people this morning in a Sprinter van. They were overseas tourists, and they've just come across the Gibb, and they never deflated their tyres, and their back doors opened up and filled the cabin with red dirt. They also shook their fridge out of the wall, completely come adrift, and they weren't very impressed with the Gibb River Road. So maybe that's a lesson to them, to do a bit more homework before they try a trek like this. So it's a rocky old ride down the Gibb River Road today, and we're driving right into this smoke haze that just keeps getting well, bigger and darker. So my guess is that we're probably getting very close to a bushfire coming down here. Just how close, I don't know, but I guess we'll find out, yeah?
No, it's...
So, here it is. There's the bushfire that we were just talking about. You can see the flames in here. By the look of it, it'll probably burn itself out by the time it gets to the road. There's not really enough wind there to carry it straight across the road, but as you can see down here, it's sort of burned itself out now. Hey guys, last night we stayed at Drysdale Station, and it's got a restaurant and a bar and a whole lot. It's just like comforts of home. But this morning we're heading up to Kimberley, and we've got about 200 k's to do, and we've finally come to the Drysdale River, and I've no doubt that in the wet season this thing is a flowing. But it's a fairly dry crossing here for us at the moment. So this is the mighty Drysdale. Look at that. You reckon there'll be some crooks in there? Possibly. Not even deep enough to wash the dust off the wheels. Anyway, we're going to keep moving forward, and they're telling us. We just spoke to a couple back there at Drysdale Station. They said it took them 7 hours to do the 200 kilometres up here. They're saying that the road was really quite rough. So I guess we've got a few adventures coming before we get to Columbaroo. Okay, we'll talk then.